my loves, welcome back to Vlogmas. I know it actually looks much the same as it did in the final clip yesterday, but that's because this room has a very good black outlined. You will not believe the time because I did have a lie-in this morning. We all collectively got up a little bit late because obviously the baby was tired. So my lie-in on top of that took us to 1 p.m. Can't remember the last time I got up at 1 p.m. Must have been last Christmas. Kind of
January.
Anyway, I've told Zach he should have woken me up earlier. When we got up as well, we had the light on up here and the baby was playing around, and I thought to myself, oh, I'll never get back to sleep now. I think I fell asleep in about 2 minutes and obviously then fell asleep for more hours. Baby's back down for her first and possibly only nap, depending on what we're doing this evening. And then she can go to bed at a decent time. And I suppose Zach and I had better shower, get ready. Not much to report just yet, obviously, because I've just woken up. Definitely need some sustenance though. Sleepy in the back seat. We are off on a little adventure. We're going into town. We're off into Halifax. We're gonna get a coffee and have a little wander about, go to Peace Hall.
That is called
The Peace Hall. Okay, we're going to the Peace Hall. Zach's embarrassed. He thinks he's going to see someone, I reckon, that he knows. Obviously we're walking around and I'm getting all the reminiscences from Zach of his youth in Halifax.
Not good ones.
Not good ones. But yeah, we're going to head into the coffee shop now. Okay, we're not going to the coffee shop because it is already closed because it took us that long to get out of the house today. Christmas, I am just about to crawl into bed. I know again I haven't spoken too much today, but I hope you enjoyed the little clips of us wandering around town. It was very misty and atmospheric, pretty cool looking actually, and nice to wander around the Peace Hall. We weren't there for very long, just had a quick drink, had a little look around, had a hot dog, and came home again. But nice to get out the apartment for a bit, and then this evening obviously just editing, hanging out with baby, eating food and watching Strictly, and now we're gonna head to bed at a much earlier time than the past couple of nights, but still not super early. We were gonna watch Klaus, but then it all ended up being too late. But I think tomorrow we're gonna have a really nice chill day, just hanging out, no plans. So Klaus is definitely on the cards for tomorrow. I am feeling exhausted, even though I only got up 12 hours ago, when it's usually more like 18, 19 hours ago. Yeah, I'm feeling tired. I feel like someone's just like cut all my puppet strings. I think that might just me relaxing into the Christmas spirit a little bit and just chilling out a bit. It's possibly a little early to start thinking about next Christmas, but I definitely want to do more Christmas markets next year, because yeah, it was nice to go and just to be outside somewhere Christmassy, and we haven't really done a lot of that since Winter Wonderland and since November basically, so I want to make more time for that next year. I'm not going to spoil the Strictly final for you either, just in case you haven't watched it, but I was really sad that AJ couldn't take part. I feel like because she's a super fan as well, my heart goes out to her even more, because I feel like if you're such a super fan of the show, you get all the way to the final and then you can't dance to the final, that must be so awful. So I really felt for her, but very pleased with who won, and to be honest I thought all three were great and all three seem like lovely people. But anyway my loves, thank you for watching today. Hoping to be up earlier tomorrow so I can just film a little bit more of my day, be awake for a bit longer. But thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you again tomorrow.